Get ready, because the excitement around the Fujifilm X-T6 isn't going anywhere. Just when it seemed like things had quieted down, a fresh surge of leaks has stirred up the photography world once again. And this time, it's not just subtle hints, it's bold speculation with potentially game-changing implications. Let's dive into what's being said about this upcoming camera and whether it might be the hybrid powerhouse capable of competing with industry leaders like Sony and Canon, or just an overhyped dream riding on Fujifilm's reputation for outstanding JPEG quality. Starting with the body, word on the street is that the X-T6 will feature a major ergonomic revamp. Expect a sleeker design, a newly contoured grip for better handling, and an improved thumb rest to enhance comfort during long shoots. These updates may sound small, but for those who spend hours behind the camera, they make a world of difference. Complementing this is a rumored new OLED electronic viewfinder offering improved sharpness and reduced lag. This would be a major win for fast-paced shooting and manual focus work, offering a more immersive and responsive experience that helps photographers stay in sync with every moment. Another potential improvement lies in the rear display. Fujifilm may be introducing a three-way articulating LCD screen, similar to what's seen on their flagship models. This kind of flexibility is a big plus for creators shooting from low angles, doing vertical content, or needing quick adjustments on the go. And of course, Fujifilm is expected to continue delivering its trusted weather-sealed construction, keeping the camera protected in tough environments. Now onto video, an area where hybrid shooters will be paying close attention. The X-T6 is rumored to shoot 6,000 video internally, with 10-bit 4:2 color, all without the need for an external recorder. That's a huge leap forward for creators who want top-tier video quality in a compact setup. Adding to that is talk of improved heat management, possibly inspired by the GFX line, allowing for longer recording sessions without overheating issues. Fujifilm's signature color science is also expected to play a role here, bringing vibrant, cinematic tones straight out of the camera. Whether filming urban scenes or quiet interviews, footage is likely to look polished and visually compelling without a heavy grading process. Another exciting development could be the upgraded autofocus system. Leaks suggest it may include AI-powered subject recognition, capable of identifying not just people and pets, but vehicles, cyclists, and even drones. If true, this would place the X-T6 in the same league as some of the top autofocus systems in the industry. Combined with a fast-stack sensor, users can expect rapid and precise focus in even the most unpredictable scenarios. One of the more creative rumors is the introduction of a new classic infrared film simulation. This would offer an artistic twist by emulating the unique aesthetic of infrared photography, dynamically adapting to light and temperature to create surreal, glowing visuals ideal for photographers looking to explore new creative territory. As for availability, the camera is expected to launch toward the end of the year, possibly in October or November, just in time for the holidays. Pricing is rumored to start around $1,800 to $1,900 for the body. While it's a step up from previous models, the added features suggest it could be a worthwhile investment rather than just another upgrade. In summary, if these leaks hold true, the Fujifilm X-T6 could become one of the most compelling mid-range mirrorless cameras on the market. From its enhanced design and pro-level video features to cutting-edge autofocus and imaginative film simulations, it looks like Fujifilm is aiming to deliver a camera that checks all the boxes for enthusiasts, content creators, and professionals alike.